blowing its ass off up here. Are you okay, Sopany? You cold? Oh my. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Sapa.
Yeah.
Today, we're gonna go to on that train that's just going past us right now. Where's it going to take us to, Sopany?
Fansipan.
Fansipan.
Yeah, soon.
Yeah, we're going right up into the hills. It's going to be bloody cold up there. It's already cold down here. I think it dropped to about 6 degrees last night, and I don't think it's going to be too much warmer than that up there, to be honest with you either. So we're all rugged up. You got all your warm clothing on there, Sopany? Yeah. I've got a big bomber jacket on. Hopefully I'll keep warm enough with that. Plenty of body fat here to keep me warm, so I'm not too bad. And yeah, we had a good night last night. Wandered around Sapa City for a little bit, as you would have seen already. The hotel we're staying in, which is just over behind us. Yeah. It's nice for the money. We'll do a room tour on it for you so you can see and how much we paid and all the rest of it. You sleep very well last night, Sopany?
Yeah, sleep very good.
Sleep very good, yeah. Nice and warm? Warm?
Yeah, it's okay.
Not cold, yeah?
No cold.
No cold. We had the aircon cranked up to 30 degrees to keep the room nice and warm. The floors were freezing cold. And the showers were beautiful and hot, so that wasn't too bad. And now we're just sitting at this cafe, which is straight across the road from the hotel. We came here yesterday afternoon, had a cup of coffee and had a bit of a look at it late yesterday afternoon. It's quite nice. It's 2-story, and each story has got a balcony that looks straight out over through the mountains here. Yeah, so really, really beautiful, pretty spot, and it's not too far from the city. It's was straight uphill, but it was about, I don't know, 15-20 minute walk into the city last night.
Oh no, I think 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Felt like a bloody lot longer than that, let me tell you, when you're walking up those straight up those hills. So yeah, so we'll head off to the Sapa train. I know that we're going to go on the train that went past just before, and then we're going to go on the train, a different train that goes straight up a hill, and then there's a cable car that goes across the mountains, which I believe is the longest cable car in the world, or something like that. And then I think there's another train that takes you up the hill, or you can walk. I think we might take the train. We might take the train. We've got a lot of big hills to climb over the next week or so, especially when we leave here from Sapa in a couple of days and head down to Ninbin. We've got a lot of walking to do down there as well. So like hill climbing. So yeah, we might take the train today. These lovely old ladies wandering around. Be careful of them. We arrived yesterday morning, and this has happened 3 or 4 times now. And so just want to make you aware of it. Beautiful, lovely old ladies from the Hmong tribe wandering around carrying, sorry, just going to get run over here, carrying big backpacks and all their clothing and stuff they sell. Actually, I'll show you one here. So you can see, like this lady here, she's actually got a baby on the back. Well, what they do is they approach you and they ask you your name, where you're from, you know, all the general, build a bit of rapport with you, seem very friendly, speak perfect English, and then they'll offer you a free gift, and they'll tell you it's free. Here, free for you, and they give you like a little armband that's been, you know, hand woven, and then they proceed to show you all their goods, which is fine. But at the end of it, they say, I give you for free, you buy from me. If you say, I don't want to buy, they take the free gift back off of you. So just be wary of it if you're here. That's going to happen. Well, we've just arrived at the Sun Plaza train station. We're going to go in here in a second. This is where you got to go and line up. Heap of people here already, so this could be interesting. See how long we've got to wait for. We'll see how we go. So walking down after we've bought our tickets, and I'll try my best to explain it all to you throughout this video, because it is, and I can now understand why a lot of videos and information online get very confusing, because there is all different parts to it. So we've just ended up just buying the whole package, the whole lot, which worked out to be about $56 US for the whole complete package. That includes lunch. So we'll show you about it all as we go. Let's watch the mad rush, as they do in Asia everywhere. Scramble as soon as the second they can. Go, here we go. Oh, look at them. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, it happens everywhere in Asia. This part of the journey is pretty quick in this train. It's 1,670 meters long. It'll take us through the mountains to the next section. So let's enjoy the ride. We managed to get front row seats. Asians want to push. Western people are bigger and can push harder. So there is 2 trains on this line. Up here shortly we'll divide off. I think we have to wait for the other train. Well, we would have to wait, otherwise we'd have a head-on collision with it. So you'll see that here in a second. Their timing actually looks like it's pretty impeccable. All right, so hopping off the train, and you just walk through these corridors here. This will take you through to the cable car. I think there's a little bit to see here on the way to the cable car, which will take you further up the mountain. So I'll have a look around here.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and
Alright, so this is the section where you get on the cable car. So we'll go for a walk through here, make our way to the car. This looks like some sort of village set up here. Car line up, my God. So lining up for about an hour. We're finally making our way down to the cable car. So you come in the building, you take the stairs, or you can be lazy like we are today, take the escalator. Right, so here we go inside. Alright, so we've arrived to the top of the cable car. Now we're still going to walk up more stairs. Soppin, are you okay? Can't see that shit because of the clouds, but it is. Are you okay, Soppin? You cold? Oh my God. It's so hard walking up and down these stairs. It is absolutely blowing a blizzard. They have been warning everybody. It's crazy. Oh my God. It's a long way up there. Holy shit, let's just get back to the cable car. Go back down. The air is so thin up there. Oh, Soppany started feeling chest pains because of the thin air and so cold. Like, it's got to be below zero up there without a doubt. My fingers are just frozen. Oh my God, worth coming, yes. Just pick the day that you come because it is cold. Alright, so part of our ticket price we got to have the buffet lunch. It's a decent sort of a feed going on here. There's local food. There's two restaurants actually, local food and also apparently Indian food. But there's lots of choices. Certainly looks like good value as part of your ticket. Bit of everything. Prawns, chicken, beef, all the vegetables, salads. It's really good. Fansipan View Hotel. View House, sorry, they call it View House. Have to be very careful. So this is the lobby. There's also an on-site restaurant here, which if it wasn't cloudy, it'd have beautiful views out to the valley. I'm here at Fansipan View House that we stayed in. So excuse the mess, we have been here, this is our 4th day here. It's a decent sized room. Does have a really good hot shower, super hot. Also mirror, basin, toilet, etc. from there. TV, aircon, which I had cranked up on hot because it was so bloody cold. There is a cupboard in here. We ended up with 2 single beds. I'm not sure why we got 2 single beds, but anyway, that's what we got. It was fine. Mattresses were nice and thick and comfortable, which was quite good. And then it also has a little balcony out here. Yeah, so balcony locks goes out here. It said it had garden views, but that's what we're looking at. No, there is actually some views here, so you can look out through the valley. And when the train goes past up to Fansipan, you can see it go past there. So yeah, so this room cost us for 3 nights $51.32. That's right, for 3 nights, $17.10 a night roughly. Yeah.